Hey guys, welcome to another edition of SellMyComicBooks.com Vintage Comic Book Unboxing. We're just plugging away through 6 CGC invoices we received, and this is number 3. So I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna just start opening. Because that's why you guys are here, to see the good stuff.
See the good stuff. You have Liefeld in there?
Oh my god. You got, no, this is what you're supposed to say. What, there's no Savage Dragon? Yeah, there's no Savage Dragon in here?
That is the best 2-inch title.
Alright, what do we got? Detective 288 and 6-0.
I love that creature.
It's
like a lobster meets an armadillo.
With a little bit of a rat face.
It's a homage to Maine. See, Detective 277 and 4-5.
Jigsaw creature from space. Someone was bored that month.
They look like blobs.
They do. They do.
Oh, Batmite.
Second appearance of Batmite in Detective 276-40.
I like the bubble on that Batmobile.
Superman 25 and 2.5.
So, some guy draws a picture of Superman and Superman signs it.
Yep. That's kind
So,
of...
is he an art thief?
It sounds like it.
He's just increasing the value.
Detective 98 and 35. Robin looks like he's in trouble there.
I love those primary color covers, though.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
They bring out the action.
They really pop, don't
Yeah.
they? See, Detective 162 and 5-5.
That's a cool cover with the train.
Oh, wah. Staples replaced. Detective 90.
I really like how he drew the
slightly
water
brittle
on that,
too.
though.
Yeah.
Like Kirby Crackle
Oh yeah,
as the water.
it's pretty cool.
That is pretty cool.
Stormy seas.
Yeah.
Detective 136-35.
Newspaper cover.
207 and 4-5.
Batman the Magician.
Action 197 and 3-5. Action Comics 126 and 5-5.
Superman on television, nobody's ever going to believe that.
'88 and 3-5.
I like the.
Oh, wait. Who is that?
Is that Laurel and Hardy?
That is Laurel and Hardy, isn't it?
I think so.
I just like the little bunny they got on there.
Well, you got to have a bunny if you're doing magic.
Right, exactly.
The magic carpet.
Second appearance of Mr. Mixoplex.
Yeah, close enough.
First cover. Number 80 and 20.
Nice.
Number 39 and 3-5. Centerfold missing. Apparently I didn't count the pages on this one. 3-5.
Effect story, that sucks.
Superman 100, 2-5. Anniversary issue.
That's a nice profile for him.
42 and 6-5.
Someone's trying to impress somebody.
Superman the Musician.
Comic Cavalcade.
Number 6, restored. Small amount of color touch on cover. I must have missed it. Or it didn't look real hard. I think I can see it right up here. Anyway, 5-0.
It's not bad, though.
World's Finest 26 and 4-0.
First Luther, Mixoplex, Prankster, Cameo, and Atomic Explosion Panel. That's
Could be Robin on a
interesting.
unicycle.
I mean, well, yeah, but that happens every issue.
It should.
You're right.
I mean, he is an acrobat from the circus.
Comic Cavalcade 12 and 4-5.
I love the tiki masks. Those are amazing.
It's kind of weird.
Alan Scott with a tiki mask. Go figure.
And Saint Nick cover.
5.0?
Comic Cavalcade 5-5-0. Alright, so we're going to do another box because they couldn't fit them all in one. So we got a small one here. Boom.
Clear the table.
Peanuts.
Peanuts, get your peanuts.
Those aren't roasted.
Yeah, you don't want to get these. What do we got here?
More Batman.
Batman 142 in 6.0. Weird flying snake thing.
That is a weird flying snake thing. Isn't it?
Tarzan 1 in 7.0. 1948.
Not bad.
Hawkman 2 in 6.0. That's pretty cool.
The Secret of the Sizzling Sparklers. So he fought at Walmart, huh?
Yeah. Alright guys, well thanks for checking out another one of our unboxing videos. If you like it, subscribe. You know how to do that, just click the subscribe button. Also check us out on the web at sellmycomicbooks.com and on eBay at sellmycomicbooks. Talk to you later. Bye.